I want to show you how to put text behind moving objects in Premiere Pro. To start, go over and select the Type tool and begin typing over your object. Now adjust the duration of your text layer to match your clip. Then duplicate your video on video layer 3 by holding Alt and clicking above. With your duplicated video highlighted, go over to Effect Controls and click on your Pen tool. Now go to your preview screen and start tracing an outline around your object, and continue until you've gone all the way around. To correct any gaps in your mask, adjust the feather and expansion until it starts to look better. If you have a moving object, click the stopwatch icon for Mask Path, then click on Mask 1. Move your timeline slider ahead a few seconds and adjust your mask. Now continue moving your slider ahead every couple seconds, adjusting your mask each time for as long as you want the effect to last. Everything is ready? Let's see the result.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.